Hey, what's up, y'all? So grades are due in like 3 days. Okay, and I have just discovered a way where I can export grades from Eduphoria onto a CSV and then just pop that right into eSchool. So give me like 5 minutes and I can bless your life. Pretty excited about it. So if you look on the screen, right, I have the first column here and all that is just student ID numbers. And then this is the grades, right? Now, when you're uploading a CSV into eSchool, that is all that eSchool wants, the student ID number and then the score. That's it. Now, to get you here, that's what I need to talk to you about. So we're gonna go to Eduphoria like normal, and we're going to go to Aware, and I'm gonna click all my students because I wanna see the scores for all my students for a particular assessment. Now, I'm gonna click the 5th grade science star, right? I'm gonna click export to Excel. Now, if you're running on a Windows computer, it's going to ask you to enable editing before you can actually edit the document, and yes, you wanna click enable editing. So here we go. Now, like I said, eSchool is only concerned with the student ID number and the score. So literally everything else is extra and you can delete because we don't need it. And I'm deleting multiple columns at a time by just holding the shift key while I click on the top of each column. Then I'm gonna right click and click delete. And I'm gonna go ahead and do that with these over here. And you see those 2 rows at the top? We don't need those 2 rows either. So now all I have is just the student ID number and the scores. We're almost finished. Do you see how these scores have a percent sign at the end of each number? eSchool doesn't like that. So we gotta change it into a format that eSchool likes. So I'm gonna click the entire row, highlight the entire row. I'm going to go to edit and replace. And if you're running on Windows, all you have to click is Control F and it'll take you to this screen. So find what? I wanna find the percent and then replace with .00, decimal 00, sorry. And then I'm gonna click replace all. Okay, close. Now if you look, it's gonna give me all these weird funky numbers. That's okay, we're gonna fix that. So continue to have it highlighted, go over here to number and it says percentage, meaning that the number, all the numbers in that column are in a percentage format. We don't want a percentage format, we want a regular number. Boom. And so now it gives you the score in a number format. That's all you need. Now let's save this as a CSV. Go to File, Save As. And I'm going to save this as sample, import, save it on my desktop. Okay, format, this is important. Format right now, it's in an Excel format, but you need a CSV. So you can explore all your options. Click on Windows, separated, or .csv, that's what you want. You do not want the MS-DOS, no. So you want the Windows, separated, .csv, you want that. So click Save. Now it's gonna ask you if you wanna proceed. Basically, it's just saying, okay, there are certain features that work in this Excel format that are not gonna work in the CSV. Do you still want to continue? Of course I do. Okay, so that's that. Now let's go back to your browser. You're gonna open up your gradebook, do everything like normal, add an assignment like normal, and then you're gonna click the quick fill button. Every teacher's favorite button. So click the quick fill, right? And where it says update scores, clear our scores, import scores from file. That's what you want. Choose your file and go to, what did I save it under? Sample? Yeah, sample import. File format is CSV. And then your student ID number was the very first column. So I'm gonna put a 1. And then my score number, the scores was on the second column, so I'm gonna put a 2. I'm gonna click import. Boom, imported all of my scores. That's it. Now that same CSV file that you used for this period, you can also use for all of your other periods because eSchool reads the ID number and then the score associated with that ID number. So you just need to do it one time. It's wonderful. Okay, So I hope it helps, and happy grading. Have a good night.